Hey spooky babes, it's Haley. I hope you guys are having a good pre-Halloween / Halloween season. I am doing my best to be in the spirit. I've got lots of fun things planned for October, so I'm just trying to get through September and get to the good stuff. I'm going to be doing a spooky unboxing today. I'm pretty excited about it. But I mean, I'm excited about all of my unboxings, so. But this one is, as by the title, Spooky Loungefly, which who doesn't love a good loungefly? And then you add spooky into it, just perfection. So we are going to jump into that right now. Just got this today. To open it. I picked this one up from the Disney store online. Not sure if it's a Disney online exclusive, but it is a Disney Parks backpack, so it might be. First, this tissue paper always makes me so happy every time I order something from the Disney store. It's the little things, but it's so cute. Anyways, here it is. For some reason, it seems like super small. Not sure if I'm just crazy, but I'll grab my other Loungefly to compare. But this is the Tower of Terror backpack, and I am so excited about this. I am a huge Tower of Terror fan. I loved the ride. I loved the aesthetic. It was just a little piece of spooky in DCA. Now, of course, it's gone and it's Guardians, which makes me sad, but I guess there's always one day when I go to Florida. Back to the backpack. We have the little dial up here that tells you which floor the elevator is going to. Right now we're going to floor 11. We've got the bellhop boys on the side. Goofy, Mickey, Pluto, and Donald. Look how cute they are. And then it opens and there's Miss Minnie on the inside. There she is. There's also, looks like Mickey's in there too, which is funny. But I just think that's such a neat idea to like open the elevator doors and have something behind there. Oh, it's so cute. It's got the little emblem there of the Tower of Terror. It's really nice, your classic sturdy Loungefly material. On the back here it says just drop in anytime, which is so cute. I love the play on words. Let's reveal the inside, which I don't know about you guys, but the inside of the Loungeflies is always, for some reason, a big deal to me. Sometimes it can be a deal breaker. If it's boring on the inside, I might be able to pass on the backpack. But I like the detail of having a little extra something on the inside. Okay. So it is the classic deep red of the color scheme for Tower. And we've got our little bellhop boys again. It looks like everyone's a bellhop except for Mickey. He's just a little dandy, which makes sense for Minnie, I suppose. He must just be a hotel guest. But yeah, we got all of them in here. It also has the dial that it has on the front, and it has this cute Tower of Terror. It has this cute Tower of Terror key, which is neat. No pockets on the inside, no extra pocket on the inside, which kind of is a bummer, but that's okay. It's still super cute. Got your Disney Parks Loungefly plaque. It's black with gold trim, which definitely suits the backpack. the hardware, the rest of the hardware is like a gold bronzy color, which again goes well with the color scheme they're going for. No extra pockets here either, which is fine. I mean, I do like the pockets because they are perfect shape for my iPhone, but that's okay. I mean, it's got sliding elevator doors. Like, what? What is this? And this is so cute. I'm so happy with it. It's nice to have a piece of tower when I don't get to see it anymore. So super excited about this purchase. I was just reading the little Disney tag here. So it has its own little tag with instructions, and it says that it's glow in the dark, which makes this 10 times better. I already loved it before, but this is amazing. I'm a sucker for glow in the dark. So it looks like this part is glow in the dark. It says it works best with UV light, so that's pretty cool. If you want to take your backpack to any of like the haunted houses this fall, I'm sure that you go somewhere with a black light. It'd be so cool just to see this floating in the background. Ooh. So I grabbed my other Loungfly so I can compare the sizes. All right, so this is my Loungefly that I've been using on the reg. Comparatively, I think this one is smaller. It is a little bit smaller, which is interesting because there's no extra pockets and it's smaller than your average Loungefly. Not sure how I feel about that just yet, but beggars can't be choosers. I am so excited to have a piece of Tower of Terror that I can have with me at all times. I'm not sure if this is still available. I know a lot of the Halloween stuff on Shop Disney is flying off the shelves, but I will put the link in the description for you if I can find it, either on Shop Disney or maybe even Loungefly itself, but I will do what I can for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the backpack. Do you guys have a spooky Loungefly yourself? I have quite a few now in my collection, but I want to know what you guys have. I'd love to talk about that down below. Also, are you guys fans of the Tower of Terror ride, or do you prefer Mission Breakout? Let me know. I really want to hear your guys' thoughts on that. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying spooky, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.